Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0234 refers to a turbocharger overboost problem encountered in Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected excessive boost pressure generated by the turbocharger. The turbocharger plays a crucial role in increasing engine efficiency by forcing more air into the combustion chamber, thereby enhancing power output. When the turbocharger produces higher than expected boost pressures, it can trigger the PCM to store this code, signaling a need for inspection and potential repair. Addressing this error is essential to maintain optimal performance and avoid engine damage, making a thorough understanding of the fault vital for accurate diagnosis and resolution. DTC P0234 specifically involves several components primarily related to turbocharger function, including the turbocharger bypass control, turbocharger boost sensor, and turbocharger wastegate control actuator. The turbocharger boost sensor measures the boost pressure and communicates this information to the PCM, ensuring that the engine receives the correct amount of air for combustion. Its location typically is situated near the intake manifold. The turbocharger wastegate control actuator functions to permit exhaust gases to bypass the turbocharger, thus regulating boost pressure and preventing overboost conditions. This actuator is integrated with the turbocharger itself. Finally, the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve helps control the wastegate operation, also located near the turbocharger area. If any of these components malfunction, it could lead to the overboost condition that P0234 identifies. A few potential causes can lead to the activation of DTC P0234. First, a faulty powertrain control module, PCM, may misinterpret normal operating conditions. The PCM is responsible for controlling various engine functions, and any errors here could lead to false overboost indications. Secondly, issues with the barometric pressure sensor can result in incorrect readings of atmospheric conditions, leading to inconsistencies in boost pressure management. Lastly, a malfunctioning turbocharger, including the turbocharger boost sensor or turbocharger wastegate control actuator, can directly result in improper boost levels. Understanding these causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting and accurate repairs. The presence of DTC P0234 may manifest several symptoms, indicating that the turbocharger is experiencing issues. One of the most common symptoms is a noticeable reduction in engine performance. This can result in slower acceleration and overall power loss during driving. The check engine light, CEL, is typically illuminated on the dashboard, prompting the driver to seek diagnostics. Additionally, unusual noises coming from the turbocharger, such as whistling or excessive whining, could be indicative of an overboost scenario or malfunctioning components. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for timely repairs and optimal vehicle operation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0234 involves checking the atmospheric pressure using a barometer. This measurement forms the basis for diagnosing the turbocharger boost conditions. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is turned to the on mode, crucial for activating the onboard diagnostic functions. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm the barometric pressure sensor readings. Under normal conditions, the HDS should display values that closely mirror the atmospheric pressure readings. If discrepancies appear, it may indicate a malfunction within the PCM, necessitating further inspection or potential replacement. Following the atmospheric check, the next troubleshooting step targets the turbocharger boost sensor. Again, begin by verifying the atmospheric pressure with your barometer, as this serves as a reference point. Turn the vehicle to the on mode to access the HDS functionality. Confirm the readings provided by the HDS for the TC boost pressure, which should align closely with the atmospheric pressure. If the values are abnormal, this suggests a fault within the turbocharger boost sensor itself. Accurate diagnosis at this stage is vital, as it may rectify the overboost condition or indicate further issues within the turbocharger system. The third step involves assessing the turbocharger wastegate control actuator. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to conduct a functional test of the actuator. This component is critical as it regulates how exhaust gases flow through the turbocharger, directly influencing boost pressure levels. After conducting the HDS test, visually inspect the actuator for any signs of physical damage or malfunction. Under normal conditions, the wastegate control actuator should operate smoothly and without any irregularities. If the actuator fails to engage properly, it indicates a need for replacement or repair to prevent continued overboost conditions. In the fourth troubleshooting step, turn your attention to the turbocharger bypass control line. Thoroughly inspect the entire line for any signs of blockages, leaks, restrictions, or damage. Blockages can prevent proper airflow, leading to overboost conditions, while leaks can cause a drop in pressure, further complicating the turbocharger function. Ensure that all connections are secure and intact, as poor connections may lead to imprecise operational parameters. If any abnormalities are found even after a thorough inspection, it indicates that there's an issue with the turbocharger bypass control line components that requires corrective action to restore proper turbocharger function. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P0234, it is essential to conduct a final verification to confirm that the problem has been resolved. Begin by clearing any diagnostic trouble codes, DTC, stored in the PCM. Following this, perform a test drive under the same conditions that previously triggered the DTC, paying close attention to the engine's responsiveness and performance. It's crucial to monitor parameters including engine speed, boost pressure, and overall vehicle operation. If the engine performance is consistent with expected behavior and the check engine light remains off, it indicates successful resolution of the issue. Should symptoms continue, revisiting the earlier diagnostic steps may be necessary to trace any residual faults. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring that potential issues leading to DTC P0234 are avoided. Regular inspections of important sensors, such as the turbocharger boost sensor and barometric pressure sensor, can help identify faults before they exacerbate into more significant issues. Additionally, maintaining the overall health of the turbocharger is crucial, which includes checking for leaks, ensuring proper oil levels, and cleaning air filters to promote efficient airflow. Lastly, using high-quality fuel can prevent excessive carbon buildup, which affects the turbocharger's performance. By implementing these preventive measures, owners can maintain vehicle integrity and avoid the complications associated with turbocharger overboost conditions. In conclusion, understanding the functioning of the turbocharger and its integral components is essential for properly diagnosing and addressing DTC P0234. The symptoms associated with a turbocharger overboost condition highlight the need for routine vehicle monitoring and preemptive checks on critical sensors and components. Timely diagnostics are crucial. Addressing the root causes quickly can prevent further complications. Ensuring that the vehicle operates smoothly without significant performance loss. Proper repairs and maintenance practices safeguard the longevity of the engine and turbocharging system, fostering overall efficiency and reliability in Honda CR-V 2023 and beyond. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.